The DC721A is a wireless receiver and a 12-volt LED transformer. It connects your remote control and it powers the LED in the Awning arms. So what's inside? You will find an antenna and 4 buttons to the right. There's a down, stop, up, and set. Now the wiring. You have an LED plus, LED minus, earth, neutral, and live. Now let's have a look at the external junction box. The mains come into the junction box and it powers the Awning motor. Then power comes into the DC721A and powers the LED in the Awning arms. Let's pair the motor with the remote control. Turn the electricity on, you will hear a beep. Now at the back of your remote control, press P2 twice. Then press the arrow at the top. You will hear a few beeps confirming the pairing. Now test that the motor is working by closing or opening your Awning. Now let's pair your remote control with the DC721A. Remove the screw to open the box. Just slide it open. At the back of your remote control, press P2 twice. Then on the box, press set right at the bottom and then stop second from the top. Then turn the remote control and press the top arrow. To test that the LED is working, just switch it on the remote control. And voila!